Today I am making smoky chipotle mushroom black bean tacos with a homemade blue corn tortillas, flavorful, easy and perfect for any day. Let's start with the tortillas. In a bowl, add 1 cup of a blue corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of a sea salt, half cup of water. You can add more water, you can adjust the consistency, mix and knead until you get a soft, smooth dough. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes. This step makes the tortilla soft and so flexible. While the dough rests, let's prepare the filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of shiitake mushroom and saute for 5 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chipotle pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika and a half teaspoon of salt. Cook everything together for about 5 minutes until the mushrooms are tender and slightly caramelized smoky flavor. Next, add black beans. I'm using 1 cup of black beans. Cook for another 3 minutes, letting all the flavors come together. Season with a little extra chipotle pepper powder for that smoky kick and then set aside. Now it's time for the creamy sauce. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of garlic paste and a half tablespoon of taco sauce. Mix until smooth and creamy. You can adjust the creaminess, taste, however you prefer. This adds the perfect balance to the smoky filling. Once the dough is rested, now it's time to divide it into small bowls. Press each bowl into a tortilla and cook on a hot cast iron pan, flipping once just until cooked and lightly toasted. Now let's assemble the tacos. Start with a warm blue corn tortillas. As a base, add a generous scoop of smoky mushroom black beans. Then layer with a red cabbage, onions, avocados, pepper jack cheese and jalapenos. Drizzle with that creamy sauce and finish with a fresh cilantro. These tacos are so smoky, flavorful, colorful and packed with a natural flavor. It's really perfect for lunch, dinner or entertaining. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and save this recipe. Subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes just like this. Bye bye.